Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and hold it. And let it go. Another deep breath in and hold it. And let it go. A third deep breath in and hold it. And let it go. Now just breathing comfortably with your eyes closed. Breathing comfortably, and just imagine that with each breath you take in, you breathe in relaxation and positive energy. Go ahead and imagine a healing light of whatever color you like surrounding your body, so that with each breath you take in, your lungs comfortably draw in that healing light, allowing it to flow through every muscle, nerve, fiber, tissue, cell, and atom of your body. Imagine a healing shower flowing down, crystal clear water that's at perfect temperature as it flows over the top of your head, soothing and relaxing your scalp, washing away fear, doubt, anxiety, washing away anger, sadness, guilt, shame, washing away pain, frustration, disappointment, embarrassment, washing these away to reveal the light that you truly are, this unique expression of divine light and love, allowing even more of that light to be revealed as that healing shower flows over your forehead, relaxing the muscles in your face, flowing down over the back of your head, your neck, your shoulders, washing away tension, leaving your shoulders calm, comfortable, and relaxed. That healing shower flowing down your arms, all the way down over your fingertips, down over your chest and your stomach, soothing and relaxing, healing and cleansing, and allowing yourself to remain comfortably in whatever position you choose. Allow that healing shower to flow down over your upper and lower back. And as your torso relaxes, your internal organs comfortably do whatever they need to do to achieve and maintain your optimal level of health and well-being in body, mind, and spirit. As that healing shower continues down over your body, down over your hips and your thighs, over your knees, down your lower legs, through your ankles, into your feet. And finally, that relaxation flows over your toes as you allow yourself to relax twice as much, going at least twice as deep with each number as I count backwards. 5, drifting down to 4, floating down to 3, 2, 1, and 0 is deep sleep. Deeper, deeper. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0 is deep sleep. And in this calm, comfortable state of mind and body, just go ahead and imagine yourself in some really beautiful place. Some place where you allow yourself to be present to the beauty, the magnificence, the abundance of creation. Remembering that it's here for you as much as anyone else. And just noticing that in this beautiful place, you're looking around and enjoying it, but your view is not quite what it could be because you're crouching. And you look around and other people are crouching as well. And you might notice if someone tries to stand up tall, all the other crouching people say, "Don't do that. Get down here like the rest of us." And just allow yourself to feel a loving sense of compassion for yourself for trying to fit in. And for all these other people who are so confused and trying to fit in. And in this beautiful place, maybe imagining there's flowers, there's trees, mountains, whatever it might be. And they're all as tall as they can be. Nothing in nature is crouching. It's just us, these people. And allowing yourself, as you allow that loving sense of compassion to wash over you, allow yourself to feel safe to stand up. Just releasing what's holding you down in that position, releasing it 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0 is deep sleep. Stand up. And just allow yourself to feel the relief of that. And notice the view that you get as you stand up. And how much more you can share who you are and shine your light. And you might imagine all the other people crouching down saying, "What are you doing?" And say, "I'm living." And I encourage you to do the same. You've got to check out the view from up here. And allowing yourself to recognize that crouching so that they felt more comfortable crouching was not doing them any favors. Standing up and making them feel less comfortable crouching, such that they might then say, "Well, maybe I'll try it," is such a gift. Allow yourself to feel really good about encouraging people and just see some people standing up, inspired by you. And their view gets so much better, and their lives get so much better, and they shine their light more brightly with the world, which encourages other people to stand up. Encourages other people to act from love rather than fear. And just imagine all these people shining their light more brightly and how much more beautiful the world becomes, how much brighter it becomes. And allow yourself to feel really good about how you've contributed to that by allowing yourself to stand up and shine. Really feeling good about that in every fiber of your being as we go even deeper now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0 is deep sleep. In a moment, I'll count you back out from 0 up to 5. 5 will be wide awake, alert, focused, and energetic, feeling much better than before. Feeling a much greater sense of freedom to shine, to stand up to your full height, to recognize your worthiness to do so. It is your birthright to stand up and shine, and it is a gift to others. And as you do it, you encourage other people to do that and give that gift to others. Tonight, when you choose to go to sleep, don't be surprised when you fall asleep quickly, soundly, deeply, and sleep very well through the night. During the night, you'll dream. The more you dream, the stronger you become. I'm going to ask your unconscious mind to allow at least one of your dreams to be a very healing dream. Continuing this healing process in body, mind, and spirit so that in the morning, at the time you've chosen to wake up, you wake up easily, feeling refreshed, energetic, and ready to start the day, again, powerfully moving forward into an ever more joyful experience of an ever greater abundance of health, wealth, happiness, and love, which are your birthright and which benefit others. And now I go back down to 0, which is always deep sleep, allowing your mind, body, and spirit to digest all these positive thoughts and images, taking them in at a very deep level so that these positive changes occur easily, effortlessly, and naturally. Coming up to 1, feeling physically relaxed. 2, feeling emotionally calm and confident. 3, health and well-being, enthusiasm, love, joy, and gratitude flowing through every muscle, nerve, fiber, tissue, cell, and atom of your body. 4, becoming more and more alert and aware of your surroundings. And 5 is eyes open, wide awake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, eyes open, wide awake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, eyes open, wide awake. And welcome back.